Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane and this is part 10 of Midjourney sref style code exploration. Today we shall be looking at the codes from 900 to 999. We are almost at the 1000 mark, but there are countless of styles to check out. There have been no significant news from Midjourney lately unless they drop something right as I am posting this video. The prompt concept is just as it has been in all of the videos of this particular series. I have tested each style code only with one prompt, which is just one period symbol. This will give you a very quick glance. But each style code has their own depth, basically akin to the default style. So as you add more words to a prompt, the look of each style code changes. But before we look at the styles, I really want to thank my patrons for their support. If you want to also join, the link is in the description of this video. I have a perk for all my paid members in the form of PDF files of all the prompts from my latest videos. If for some reason you cannot see them, they are over on the shop page in Patreon and should be available to download for all the paid members for free. But now, let's look at the style codes. 900. Monochrome line art. 901. Monochrome gritty illustration. 902. Monochrome gritty illustration. 903. Vibrant retrofuturism. 904. Cyan epic fantasy. 905. Red dynamic cinematic. 906. Orange gritty cinematic. 907. Vibrant surreal pop art. 908. Pastel fantasy illustration. 909. Vibrant psychedelic impressionism. 910. Dark atmospheric illustration. 911. Muted fantasy realism. 912. Sepia minimalist graphic. 913. Pastel abstract expressionism. 914. Cute whimsical manga. 915. Bright vibrant anime. 916. Neon surreal dreamlike. 917. Neon pop anime. 918. Monochrome fantasy illustration. 919. Golden dramatic digital. 920. Muted serene photography. 921. Vivid whimsical digital. 922. Dark romantic fairy tale. 923. Muted textured collage. 924. Subdued reflective painterly. 925. Blue monochrome abstract. 926. Iridescent ethereal fantasy. 927. Blue dark, surrealist. 928. Red and black bold graphic. 929. Nostalgic elaborate illustration. 930. Monochrome misty photorealism. 931. Wooden engraved fantasy. 932. Dark vibrant dramatic. 933. Abstract textured multicolor. 934. Violet fantasy dreamscape. 935. Muted melancholic shadows. 936. Sepia psychedelic engraving. 937. Pastel minimalist watercolor. 938. Monochrome traditional ink. 939. Muted illustration, nostalgia. 940. Whimsical folk art. 941. Sepia, textured impressionism. 942. Cyan digital illustration. 943. Blue stylized cartoon. 944. Hyper-realistic futurism. 945. Vibrant fantasy illustration. 946. Monochrome surreal lines. 947. Pastel minimalist animation. 948. Monochrome vintage sketch. 949. Sepia expressionist collage. 950. Vivid fairy tale render. 951. Ornate fantasy sculpting. 952. Playful vibrant animation. 953. Neon kinetic abstraction. 954. Whimsical pastel storybook. 955. Ornate dark fantasy. 956. Luminous magical nocturne. 957. Cyan retrofuturistic nostalgia. 958. Minimalist monochrome Japanese ink. 959. Dynamic dark fantasy. 960. Elegant monochrome classical sculpture. 961. Monochrome graphic novel. 962. Neon urban abstract. 963. Dark cyber horror. 964. Monochrome surreal, dreamlike. 965. Whimsical minimalist line art. 966. Ethereal sketch, portraiture. 967. Muted soft fantasy. 968. Retro architectural minimalism. 969. Neon fantasy, wonderland. 970. Ethereal particle fantasy. 971. Dark enchanted realism. 972. Intricate monochrome sculpturalism. 973. Pastel fantasy architecture. 974. Elemental fantasy illustration. 975. Neon fairy tale forest. 976. Monochrome woodland realism. 977. Enchanted nature dreamscape. 978. Monochrome cosmic serenity. 979. Dark vivid fantasy illustration. 980. Golden hour serenity. 981. Celestial fantasy realism. 982. Monochrome sketch, scenery. 983. Urban desolation illustration. 984. Dark neon fantasy. 985. Retro noir color splash. 986. Fluid dreamscape paintings. 987. Neon psychedelic pop art. 988. Blue anime adventure realism. 989. Vivid vintage pop realism. 990. Expressive brushstroke impressionism. 991. Muted retro futuristic. 992. Minimalist abstract photography. 993. Neon fantasy wonderland. 994. Neo-nostalgia noir. 995. Verdant adventure realism. 996. Pop art surrealism. 997. Colorful fantasy whimsy. 998. Mesmerizing neon psychedelic. 999. Geometric expressionist spectrum. Alright, those were the styles for this video. I hope you found some styles that you liked out of these. Let me know in the comments some of your favorite styles. As always, thank you so much for watching and let's continue prompting.